Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're checking out this 2007 Kia Spectra. We're going to be looking at the air filter, remove and replace. I believe that's what it's going to take to get this thing back on the road in tip-top form. As you can tell, it's like a magnificent Kia. This is going to be a quick, simple, fast video. Make sure you look in the description below for a link to purchase the parts that I'm playing with. First, let's take a look at the clip that you're going to be removing to get your cabin air filter out. You can see right where the arrow is at. That's going to be the surface on the inside of your glove box. You're going to pop that towards the inside, and then that rubber piece will come through into the glove box to allow you to let the glove box fall down towards what would be your knees. You're going to push from the outside of the glove box to the inside of the glove box on that lower portion of the tab. Slide right towards you. Set those off to the side. Let your glove box dangle. Here is the door for your cabin air filter. On both sides, you have a clip. You're going to push those clips towards the inside of the cabin air filter. Make sure you take note of how you remove this. You can see this cabin air filter is really dirty, and we find them like this very commonly, and not just in areas like where we're doing this video at. When you reinstall it, you'll make sure that you have your filter going in the right direction. This one was installed the wrong way. Then you're going to put it in the cage. You'll see you have a couple of notches that your filter needs to fit under to make sure it's properly secured in the cage or in the door itself. Takes a minute to get everything nice and flush and locked in there. For some reason, I do double check it. But real quick, why did the snail paint a big S on his car? Because he wanted people to say, look at that S car go when he rolled by. You get it? S cargo. Again, make sure you check it for a link in the description below to buy a cabin air filter. You could get a factory replacement, or you could get upgraded filters as well. You can see it took me a minute to make sure this one was properly installed in the cage or the door. This one has a direction or a stamp on it to show you which direction your door should be going at too. You could probably install it either way, but there is a up on it. Now, when you reinstall the door, make sure it clips into place. You're going to put the long pointed side of your glove box stop in and then slide that notch into the glove box while it's halfway installed into the dash. So that will lock it in place and not allow it to fall back into your lap. Hopefully this helps you out. Make sure you comment below with any questions, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.